Yo guys, welcome back to Crypto Switzerland. Today we're gonna trade some coins again. I'm gonna show you some new tools I've found to filter coins. Probably many of you already know this. I'm testing this out. I've been testing this out recently to find new coins. It's called Moonarch, and I'm also using Pokemon.io. And also, before we start the video, make sure to join my Discord. It's called Crypto Shadow Investors. The link is going to be down below. I post all my signals here. I also have a Telegram signals channel that you can join. It's called Crypto Switzerland YouTube. Here's the name if you want to join that one. So yeah, let's get into the video. On Pokemon, you can scan for Ethereum and PancakeSwap coins, basically for both of them. I'm gonna look for some PancakeSwap coins now. And here what I always do is first I go to new tokens because I'm trading new tokens. Another good thing that I use is micro cap gainers. Here you can see if you select new tokens, the age is gonna be between 0 and 500. So these are really fresh coins. Currently there's a big trend when it comes to baby coins. For example, here you can see there's a new token called Baby Dodo, Moon Rabbits, what else? Baby C98. Yeah, that's just a bunch of baby coins, and they're actually mooning so often. So I'm focusing on them currently. So let me see. Baby Safe Moon, Mini Cake Baby. I wanted to check this one out. Let's see if the liquidity is locked on Unicrypt. I always open BScan as well. Let's check BScan. There's no locked liquidity on Unicrypt. Maybe they locked it on another provider. Let's check out the contract is verified. I'm not gonna go for the contract code because it takes too long. What I'm gonna look at is always click on token tracker, and here you can click on holders, and then you can see the holder distribution. Yeah, this is a scam already. I can tell you 100% that this is a scam, because there's a wallet that owns 30%, no more than 30%. 50% was burned, so there's 50% left, and this guy owns out of 50% 30%, 27% of the supply. So yeah, this is a rug pull. Let's go to the next coin. And about Moonarch, I quickly want to go through it. So I subscribed to it yesterday. As you can see, I have 26k tokens. I bought them so I can get the tier 2 level. And here you can see the cool thing is you can see the liquidity locked. For example, here you can see 100% of the liquidity is locked for 1 hour, which is nothing. Here is Baby MD. This probably right here would be an interesting coin. Let's look at this Baby MDX. Because you can see the liquidity, 93% of the liquidity is locked for 31 days. It's not much, but it's also not nothing. The market cap is 50k. Liquidity market cap ratio 26%. Let's go to the transactions on BScan. This actually could be a tradable coin here. Let's go to holders. Oh, there's already 310 holders of this token. And here you can see this is the liquidity that is locked, and the biggest wallet is 6%. Yeah, that's 6% is a lot, but they have nothing burned, so yeah, it's actually quite safe, I would say, from this point. Let's go to the contract. The contract is verified. That sounds good. Let's also check the read contract if the ownership is renounced. Owner address. owner, no, the ownership is not renounced. This is the owner wallet, the dev wallet. You could also check the transaction of it if you want to investigate it further, I guess. But this actually is interesting. Let's go to the chart. Let's check out the chart. 45k. The only sad thing is that it got posted so late already, because it's already at 50k market cap. What I would do now as a next step is look if they have a Telegram chat. Let's check it. Chinese. Is this the official one? Let's check it out. What the hell is going on here? It actually might be this. It is this one, guys. It is this one. So they have a Chinese chat. This is really interesting. 7 pinned messages. Yeah, this could actually, you could actually buy this and make some profit on this one for sure. And it's actually dropping now. And it's 40k. 10k is locked for 31 days. The only thing I'm afraid of is this big wallet here, as you can see. As you can see, this one right here I'm a bit afraid of. If this guy sells all his tokens, it's gonna drop by like 10k. It's still dropping now, so yeah, there are many sales. So yeah, but this token, the best thing, let's see, I wanna wonder when was it posted on Moonarch? Baby, what was his name again? Baby MDX here. It was posted like 4 minutes ago. I wonder if it was posted or it was posted once he locked the liquidity, I guess. Let me see if this is correct. I just want to think of how this app works. If this is the way it works. Let's see when I pinned this. Yeah. Alright, that's actually quite cool. That's quite cool. It posted it at the exact time. Here you can see 11:27, and he posted it here at 11:27. That's cool. I like Moonarch. I probably gotta use it more often. So yeah, this is how I look for coins, guys. Make sure to join my Discord. I also have a private call section. Here's my website. Shadow Investors is the name of it. Currently we already reached 100 subscriptions. That's why I took it down. But you can register here on the website. Probably I'm gonna think of something so new people can join as well. I'm probably gonna open the memberships again later, we'll see. But yeah, you can definitely go and check it out, and also join my Discord where I make all my calls. Have a nice day, guys. See you.